So next we're going to do a bunny. So for the bunny, you have to use a darker colored ears, just like you do for the dog, and then lighter colored for the body, except the only difference between this and the dog is you're adding this little white part that it's like cheeks and mouth. So you want to start out with your darker colored balloon, your purple, and you want about 4 fingers, 3 or 4 fingers on the end. And then just like the dog, you want to cut some of the end off for a nose. So I made one twist, and then I made one twist just like I do for the dog ears, and then made another, and then I cut right here on this twist so I can use this part for the nose, and then I can use this part to tie it. And then you want to hold it like that and snip it a little bit, and then let the air out a little bit, and pull it off so it doesn't make a big popping noise. And then let that part out, twist it, and then just like the dog, you want to tie these two balloons, this balloon together, make a circle, and then you find the middle, and make make a twist like that. So you have 2 evenly sized parts, and then just like the dog, you want to take a the pink balloon with about 2 fingers on the end. And I tie on just a little bit to make a better, more bold face. Then you want to do about a 4-finger bubble. And then we're going to make another 4-finger bubble right next to it, same size. And then you're going to take the knot, and you're going to pull it around, and then pull it through the little eye part like that to lock it in place. And then the difference is from this and the dog, you're going to take this white balloon you need, and then you need about, I would say, 6 fingers on the end. It's not that big of a deal. You can kind of eyeball it, because we're not going to use the whole thing. Then you want to make a 1-finger bubble, and then another 1-finger bubble, and make a pinch twist. And then you want to make another pinch twist, the 1-finger bubble. So you have that. And then you want to make an ear twist for the cheeks. It can be about 4 or 5 fingers. And then you want to make the same size ear twist on the other side. About 4 or 5 fingers. So now you have something that looks like this. Okay. So I made my one finger bubble and then 2 pinch twists. And then I made a ear twist on one side and ear twist on the other. And then we don't need the rest of this white balloon, but you want to save. You want to cut it like that and save this in your little balloon belt because you use white for a lot of stuff. And twist that off. You want to twist it into these twists in the balloon a couple times to make sure it doesn't come undone. And you're going to take this white part and you're going to twist it into this neck part of the bunny. Okay, so the trick to doing this and not popping it is to twist it into the twist and not just shove it in there. So it doesn't matter kind of where you twist it into, but you want to take the pink balloon and kind of twist it into this white part. Twist it around a couple times. And then just make sure straighten it out so it's all facing forward, just like that. Okay, and then we're going to make the feet. So you want to make maybe a 6-finger bubble, make same size finger bubble, and twist this into the bottom part right here. Kind of twist it together, it will go. So just like that. And then you want to make another one of those small little bubbles, just like we did for the dog. Maybe 3 fingers. And then you want to make the legs, and you just want to eyeball it so that you have a little tail left over. So this end balloon should be a little bit longer than the first part of that back leg I made. So you have a little tail, as you can see. And then you want to do the same thing with you did with the dog and tuck the front legs into the back legs. just like that. Okay. And you want to take that extra balloon you have left over from the ears you made, and you want to make the nose out of this. So that purple balloon, you blow it all the way up. Then you just need about a finger size bubble for it to let the rest go. Then tie it off. And you just need enough to tie it into the neck of the balloon. So you want to take this, and you want to tie it right into this part of the balloon. It has its nose. And as you can see, that white part that was there just popped off, but you know where it was, so. That white part that just popped off was that one right there, but you want it to be part of the balloon. And then you want to make its eyes, big eyes again. Alright, and then, so I make eyes, and then what I do is I put little dots on this cheek part, the white balloon right here. Makes it look more like a bunny. Do it on the other side. And then do it on these little two pinch twists you have right here on the front of the bunny's face. Okay, and then that white part, but this is what it should look like. So that's the bunny.